Hello everyone, in this video, we are going to compare Hexos and TrueNAS, the two popular storage platforms that are shaping the way both home users and enterprises manage their data in 2025. So let's get started. So first, let's start by knowing what are both used for. So TrueNAS is an open source NAS operating system developed by the IC system, known for its rock-solid stability, ZFS file system, and both core and scale versions. So while Hexos on the other end, it is a newer player offering a sleek hybrid approach, so combining the enterprise-grade features with an intuitive UI and AI-assisted storage optimization. So let's talk about its performance. So when it comes to performance, TrueNAS still leads with its mature ZFS implementation, advanced caching, or the ARC, or the L2 ARC. And it also supports for fast NVMe pools. But Hex is on no slouch either, so it is adaptive I/O, the algorithms and GPU assisted, the duplication, give you a boost in high load environments. So for the scalability, if you need to scale, TrueNAS Enterprise supports clustered storage and high availability failover, making it a perfect for data centers. So the Hexos, while newer, it has rolled out cluster support with decentralized metadata syncing. So this is ideal for a hybrid cloud or storage setup. So for the user interface, TrueNAS has a clean functional UI, but some new users may find it a bit dated or overwhelming. On the other hand, on the Nexus, it shines here because it offers it has drag and drop dashboard, quick deployment templates, and smart alerts powered by the machine learning. So which one should you use? So you can go for TrueNAS if you want total control, open source freedom, and battle-tested performance. You can also choose Hexos if you value ease of use, optimization, and AI-enhanced storage, especially for small business or modern cloud setups. So, what is your Go storage solution? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep tech comparisons like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye!